two most painful heartbreaks most people are silently living. Tell me, which heartbreak cuts deeper? To love someone so deeply, yet never be with them, or to share the same roof with someone who no longer loves you? Think about it, because today we'll uncover the two most painful heartbreaks most people are silently living. Isn't it strange? Love and togetherness don't always live in the same place. Some people have overflowing love in their hearts, but circumstances, maybe life just threw a cruel twist. You carry love in your chest like fire, but there's no place for it to burn. This heartbreak feels like living in two worlds. In one, your heart races with hope and memory. In the other, reality leaves you empty-handed. Songs, poems, and movies glorify this longing, but deep down, you know the truth. Love without presence starves the soul. Because no matter how strong the feeling, you cannot hug a memory. You cannot kiss a dream. Heartbreak number 2, togetherness without love. Now look at the second heartbreak. Two people, one roof, one bed, one life. But the hearts? Empty, silent, distant. They smile in photos, sit at the same dinner table, and maybe even laugh with friends. But when the door closes, so does the connection. This kind of pain is invisible. No one sees it from the outside, yet inside, it screams. Being physically close, but emotionally abandoned, is sometimes worse than being completely alone. Because the body is present, but the soul is missing. A paradox of heartbreaks. And here's the paradox. Society says, at least you have someone. But is someone enough if there's no love? The world also romanticizes distant love, as if longing itself can replace presence. But can 1,000 messages replace one real hug? Can endless memories replace true connection? Both heartbreaks steal pieces of you, but in completely different ways. One heartbreak bleeds because of what you cannot have. The other bleeds because of what you no longer feel. Some people stay in loveless relationships to avoid loneliness. Others cling to distant love, holding on to memories that may never return. And the mystery is this. Both look different, but the wound is the same. An aching heart that longs for wholeness. So, let me ask you, which is worse? To love deeply and never be together? Or to be together and never truly love? Think about it, because the rarest miracle in life isn't love alone or presence alone. It's having both at the same time. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, because someone you know might be living this very story right now. And if you want more truths like this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you never miss the words your heart has been waiting for.